Simple Solutions Lesson 13 Review. Number 1. Circle the integers. In question number 1, integers are any positive and negative whole numbers. So 48, negative 310, 12,039,020, 0, 2,591 would be all of your integers. Number 2. What is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4 on a number cube? Express it as a probability as a fraction. So on a number cube, there are 6 sides. So my denominator would be 6. Numbers that are greater than 4 would be 5 and 6. So that's 2 numbers out of the total. So that would be a probability of getting a number greater than 6 would be 1/3. So probability of greater than 6 equals 1/3. Number 3. Kara used 4 1/6 sheet of construction paper to make 1/6 of her poster board project. At that rate, how many sheets will she use for a whole project? Well, here I started out by making a picture. So she has her project. This would be the full project. She used 4 1/6 on 1/6 of her project. So I'm going to break the project up into 6 equal portions. So that means for just one portion of her project, she used 4 1/6. That means that she would use 4 1/6 for each of the 6 parts. So that's 4 1/6 times 6. I'm going to change both of these into fractions. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And I keep my denominator of 6. And I'm multiplying. The whole number of 6, I change it into a fraction by placing it over 1. And I multiply. Here I can multiply, I can cross cancel. 6 divides into 6 one time. And now I'm ready to multiply. 25 times 1 is 25. 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, it will take her 25 sheets of construction paper to complete her project. Number 4. Using long division to write 15/16 as a decimal. So here I'm going to take 15 and divide it by 16. 15 would go inside the house, 16 would go outside. 16 cannot divide into 15, so I have to add my decimal and a 0, and I bring that decimal straight up. 16 divides into 150 9 times. 9 times 16 is 144. Subtracting, I get 6. Adding another 0 and bringing it down. 16 divides into 60 3 times. 3 times 16 is 48. Subtracting once again, I get 12. Adding an additional 0 and bringing it down. 16 divides into 120 7 times. 7 times 16 is 112. Subtracting, I get 8. Adding an additional 0 and bringing it down. 16 divides into 80 5 times